Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the data concurrency and deadlock in Oracle. Okay, so I will teach you these sessions, so how completely how the DBAs are managing in the real time. So with the deadlock. Okay, so we are going to do the second slide. So this is our agenda. Okay, so here what we cover today from understanding the concurrencies. Okay, how Oracle handle it, what deadlocks, and how to simulate them, detect, avoid in the real-time world systems. Okay, so I will show you in the real time as well. So how we are managing and how we are to tackle these situations in the real time. Okay, so what is concurrencies? Okay, so the concurrency means allows multiple users to access or modify the database at the same time. Okay, without the data loss. Okay, so if example in some environment like telecommunications, hospitalizations, and then banking domains, so those kind of environments having all the users to access the same data at the same time, but the Oracle should be give the proper data to the users, right? So that's why the most of the in large systems, the many of the users to try accessing or updates the same data. So in that time, Oracle uses smart technique to maintain the data correctness, that is called consistency. Sorry, concurrency. Okay. So how Oracle to handling the situations. Okay. So Oracle give each sessions the consistent view of a data. Okay, the using undo and use the lock and manage update safely. You know, right? We already know about that things, right? What is undo, what is redo, so how undo is working, how redo is working. We discussed in our block level space management, right? So you just understand that kind of things. Okay, so you can see that previous video. If you are strong with the previous video, so you can easily understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so actually, why? What is a deadlock actually? What is a deadlock, or why it is happen in real time? So its deadlock is example if sessions A lock one. Okay, if just consider there is a two users. Okay, so session A and session B. Okay, so if example session A going to update in the one of the table is a, we call it as a row. Okay, so is going to update the same row. Okay, and the session update the same row. Okay, so what happen is both are trying to update each others. So the struct that is called the that. So I will show you in the real time how it's happen. I will simulate it in front of. So this is using to the simulate the update. Okay, so we can show you all the things. Okay, so how we are detecting the deadlock? Actually, in real time, we check the alert log and trace files, and you can also find the who blocking whom. So I will show you the command. So I have the script. So I will show you the script as well. So how we can handling the situations. Okay. Actually, these are the small concept. So why I am teaching this deadlock. So if before I am teaching about the block level, right? So these things it will happen in our real time as well. So this is the related to the undo and redo. So that's why I'm taking these sessions. Okay, so once you are familiar with that, so most of the concepts you can under this kind of things. Okay, rows and columns, table. So those kind of things you should know that. Okay, that's why I'm taking this separate session of the deadlock. So you should understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. Okay. Actually, there is a this is the way we are going to do cover. Okay. This is the way we are going to check the find the deadlock. Okay. This is the view. You can we can use this script also. Okay. It's understanding of the blockchain. So I will show you that which is going to block, which is going to wait. So in a real time. Okay. So we are using this command only in real time. Okay. The Oracle response to deadlocks. So how Oracle is how we can respond to deadlocks. So Oracle it will be killing the sessions. So it who it's blocking. So it automatically kill the sessions. Okay. And second, it will detect the in the alert log or error 660. Okay. It will deadlock is detected. And after that it will provide the trace as well. So which sessions, which SQL is going to do blocking the sessions. Okay. It will give the trace as well. Okay. And this is the best practice to avoid that. Actually, most of the deadlock due to the bad coding. For a few smart practice in the develop can prevent them. So we have to change the applications logics the same time, or else we can use the wait is 30 seconds. So based on that, we can make it that. So these are the list actually: access object in the same order, or keep transactions short, and use a proper indexings, and avoid users input during the DX. Okay, and commit or rollback is quickly. Okay, so this is the way we are planning for that. I mean, plan to prevent the deadlocks and the real-time DBAs. So what we are going to do? So actually, you are freshers, right? So you are freshers. You should know or not aware about that AW or AHH. So how we can that? So I will take a separate session of that. How to generate the AWR report? How to generate the ADDM report? How to generate AHH report? So what it is? What content it is? So I will explaining in the next videos. Okay, next or not next? I will later. Okay, so laterly I will explain all the things. So, but you can understand what we can do if we can frequently we are getting this issue. So we should take the AWR and we can review on that. So then we can troubleshooting on accordingly. Okay. So we can understand the we analyze the applications logic. So those kind of things we can take from the AWR reports and we can analyze it. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm started the VM. So now we are going to create one table. I will simulate in front of you. Okay. Before I'm what I can do before I just take the three sessions. Okay, one is this is you can then just consider how we can rename here session A. Okay, so this is consider session B. This is the alert log. Okay, so now we are going to do in session A, we are going to create one table. Okay, so now we are going to create one table in the session A. Okay, so you can understand easily what I'm trying to say. So, and we are going to update the some rows, okay, in the same data. Now we provide the commit statements. Now we are providing the, sorry, now we are creating the one table, okay. So now what I am going to do, so in session A, I am going to update the this table. Where is the same table? I am going to update the row one, okay. I am going to update this here. I am going to update the salary is equal to, see, this is the update statements I'm saying here. Update table name, set salary is equal to, I just add the salary of 100, okay, where employee ID is equal to 1. So I just fire the command, okay, and then I'm going to do add the second, okay, second session, I mean a second B session. Okay, see here, I'm going to listen here, I'm not yet commit. Okay, I just provide the update, I'm not yet commit. I'm again do same row, sorry, same table but different row. Why? Once again, PC got hang. Sorry, till update. Okay, so here I am going to update second column. I am not yet commit. Okay, so now I am going to do increase the third update from here. See, I am going to do I can show the here. See, I am going to do update employee is equal to 102. Actually the session B, it is already update the same row, but it still is not yet commit, correct. So this is the session A is going to update the same row. What happened? I just provide enter. It is a hanging state. Okay, it is a hanging state. Now what I am going to do, I am going to in B sessions, I am updating the 101 column. See here, I am going to update here 101 column. Okay, a reverse order, like this reverse order. So what happened, you can see here, it will happen deadlock detected, because already session A is already update the statements. Okay, this is the new value, the update where salary is equal to 100, employee ID is equal, employee number is equal to 101 is a new session by session A. But the session B also going to try the same update. Okay, because the new value is already here, right? So that's why it's getting deadlock is detected. So what we are going to do, you can check the alert deadlock, you can check the detected, because the two session is going to update the same row, right? See here, this is the deadlock. So it will providing the like this error in alert log, it will provide the trace file as well. Okay, if you want, you can read the trace file. See, it will telling that which one is going to do everything. Okay, you can see, you can read it from the here as well. Okay, the main thing is here it will be providing the alert in the alert log. I mean a deadlock alert in the our sessions. Okay, so this is the now we are going to commit. Let's see, I'm going to commit from the session A. After commit, the session is automatically released. See here. So I will tell you one thing. Now what I am going to do, I am going to do drop the table. Okay, now I am going to do drop the table. See here what it's saying. If the resource is busy acquire, no wait, that means the B session is already updated, right? The B session is already updated. Still this user is not yet commit. So that's why we are receiving this resource busy error. So it will waiting for the users, or it session is going to inactive, then only we are going to drop. Okay, so what we are going to do in that session, so we can found which table is going to lock. Okay, I mean I will show you on command here. So why it's going to do block. So this is the command. Before I just set the line, see here, this is the session. Okay, this is session holding the our transaction. So what we are going to do, we are going to kill the sessions. So how we can go kill the sessions, this is the command. Okay, alter system kill session 28 comma, this is the serial hash, sorry, immediate. Okay, so now now you can able to do drop the table. So you can able to do drop the table. Okay, okay, that's it guys.